Now what I want you to notice is all of the grip you get on the left-hand side of the case and on the right-hand side of the case. That traction grip, top, bottom, and in between you have the power button volume rocker. That's the right-hand side. Then the left-hand side there, lots of that traction grip. You just have to do your part, and that's hold on with a firm grip. Yeah, that is nice. Really, really nice. Power button covered up, works great. Let's get into my Google Pixel 8 Pro. Fingerprint reader is really, really quick. Volume rocker, everything working the way it should. That's nice. Look at all that corner protection. Got the mic cut out up top there. Those corners just protruding out to help absorb shock if you were to drop your Google Pixel 8 Pro on the ground sporting the Vanguard series case. Cut out for your speaker grill, cut out for your mic, and a flap that covers the USB Type-C charging port. A lot of depth to those areas as far as the mic and the speaker grill there. That is going to help keep dirt, dust, and lint out of those areas. The flap here definitely going to keep the dust, dirt, lint, all of that crap that's flying through the ear, hiding in your pocket, your purse, your bag. And it's also great for those of you that work in a rugged environment. Yeah, that just looks awesome. Just look at all of that depth lip. Got that receding area there for your combo earpiece and speaker. On the back, you got a huge cutout for those cameras. You got a cutout with some depth right there protecting the temperature sensor and your flash. You can see that you have a little mic cutout right there on the actual glass of the camera area there. But yeah, man, we got a lot of lip and a lot of depth going on there to protect those cameras. So you can take great quality pictures and shoot great quality video laying down on a flat surface. Surface is a little bit rough, you should be good to go. Anything rougher than that, I would really use your discretion. Probably purchase a camera glass protector for that area. As far as all of that lip and depth on the front, on a flat surface is a little bit rough, you should be good to go. And remember, Caseborne is providing you with not just one, but two tempered glass screen protectors to protect that actual display. So if the surface is a little extra rough, you should be fine, but really, use your discretion. All right, now we're going to test the strength of the magnet on the back of the case with my Anker magnetic wireless charger. And the strength of the magnet is strong. And that's what you want to see. Now, a lot of you may have a different type of accessory as far as Magsafe. Some of you may just use a regular wireless charger like this one from Samsung. But either way, everything should work just fine. Okay. Bam. Look at that. Very nice. And boom, just like that. Now, if you're going to use the holster, make sure you're facing the display up against the back of the holster like this to protect that display, especially for those of you in construction. I work in a meat room and there is a lot of metal. The workstations where you cut beef, the saw, the prep tables, everything's made out of metal. And even with a glass protector, if you hit that area just right, it can bust through the glass protector and crack the display. So this is the way, if I was to sport the holster, this is the way I would wear it. And I would have a camera glass protector protecting those cameras. Yeah, that's nice. Very nice. All right, any questions, please ask down below in the comment section. And once again, as far as the information to purchase the Caseborne by Armadillo Tech V-Series case for the Google Pixel 8 Pro will be down below in the description area. Thanks again, Caseborne, for the opportunity to represent. And with that, God bless you all. Peace. I am out.